Hi, Miss Marie Chris Cahelia. Can you tell me about yourself, ma'am?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Marie Chris Mercado Cahelia. I am 42 years old. I am single mother. I have one kid. I have one son. Name is Rodman Chris Cahelia, and the boy.
How old is he, ma'am?
He is 17 years old.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I am eight siblings, four brothers and three sisters.
So what is your order in the family, ma'am?
I am number 6.
Can you tell me about your educational background, ma'am?
I am college level. I'm not finished my college level because my parents cannot afford my tuition fee.
Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I have been experienced Malaysia. I am finished my 2 years contract and extended 1 year.
So, from what year, ma'am?
Year 2019 to 2022.
So, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper in Malaysia?
I am cooking, cleaning the house, iron the clothes and washing the clothes, and also I can take care of my madam.
So, anything else, ma'am? None so far?
None.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am honest and I am hardworking, and I can promise I can do my work responsibility.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Because my son education.
So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
How about big dogs, ma'am?
I'm scared, ma'am. Yes.
Alright. Can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can play with them and read the books and also love with them and
Alright, is that all, ma'am? So, what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
they're my future employer. I am promise you I am hardworking and honest, and I am responsible to work my duties, and I am finished my 2 years contract. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.